Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to apply a referral code to your Uber driver account. If you signed up for Uber and never used a referral code to get your bonus, your sign-up bonus, you can still do it. You have until October 5th. So today's, got about a week left. Today's the 30th. So you click on your Uber driver app. This works for mainly new drivers, by the way. But yeah, you click on your Uber driver app. Click these three lines right here, then go down to help. Then go down to account and earnings. Then click referrals. Then click this third one right here, invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. A lot of people click that one. If you click that one, they think you're trying to sign up a new driver. So click this one, invited driver. A lot of people mess this one up. But anyways, click that one. Then what you want to do is add someone's code. So I use my friend's code. And you can use this one too if you want. It's G4QA5UE, and just type in Gregory Wave. This is Gregory Waves on the Rideshare Hub, by the way. He's awesome. So yeah, he's out in Arizona, but it works everywhere in most areas in the United States. Friend's email address who referred you, gregwave@yahoo.com. After you do this, if you want to shoot Greg a text and just tell him that you used this code, he would appreciate that. He's probably made about 200 videos on the channel. But anyways, type in down here, share additional details, type in my good friend Gregory. Referred me to drive for Uber. Just like that. This is all the info. If you want to just screenshot that, that's basically all you need. Really simple. Then click submit. And then after that, you'll get your Uber driver account bonus. And just right here, just so you guys know, it says, we still honor the promotion if you provide us with your friend's information within 7 days of completing the number of trips. Usually like 100 trips or 200 trips. So as long as you do it within that time frame or 7 days after, you're good to go. And again, this is the information. And yeah, that's about it. Again, just click these three lines here, top left, or your profile picture, whatever. Then click help. Then go down to account earnings, referrals, and this third one there. And then you're back to this screen, type that all in. All right, thanks guys.